Today, we are how to create polished visual tones using color lookup. Open your image and begin by correcting exposure so tones appear neutral and balanced. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUT presets that enhance color harmony. Choose one that smooths transitions between highlights and shadows. Lower opacity until the effect looks refined rather than obvious. Polished tones rely on subtle adjustments. Duplicate the LUT layer and switch its blending mode to soft light to add gentle depth. Toggle visibility to confirm improvement. Next, add a curves adjustment layer and slightly lift midtones to brighten the image evenly. Zoom in closely to inspect